Alrighty, so first we have the Libertarian Party, and as you can see, most party web pages are just big fundraising operations. But let's look at their platform. Mm-mm-mm. So, Libertarian platform is all about personal liberty, self-ownership, expression of community, privacy, personal relationships, and we have all their other stuff. So, libertarians don't believe in government intervention, and famously, there was a debate at the Libertarian presidential debate last year, 2 years ago, whenever it was, where a candidate said that you shouldn't sell drugs to children, and got booed. So the Libertarian Party is a little wacky sometimes, but they believe in free market capitalism and that there should be no government intervention in the markets. So they're pros to keen to Republicans in that belief, and they mostly caucus with Republicans in Congress. And speaking of, we have the Republican or the Grand Old Party. Um, so here on your website, it is the release of the Mueller report today. So I got bombarded with a pro-Trump fundraising um, stuff. So here on the platform page, you'll see a bunch of political platitudes about restoring the American dream, government reforms that never happened, a rebirth of constitutional government, which is all a lie. Parties are all lies. American resurgence never going to happen. And Republicans believe in small, limited government and a big military to send stuff everywhere. But Republicans also want a government so small it can fit in your bedroom. And they want to be more socially conservative. So no gay marriage, no abortion, and all that stuff. And finally, we have the Democratic Party. So here you'll also see a bunch of broken promises. Um, Raising workers' wages, never gonna happen. Um, Democrats believe in more socially liberal, so ending systematic racism, closing racism gap, uh, guaranteeing minority rights, uh, all that stuff. And they are more for government intervention in the market system, especially with programs like Obamacare and Medicaid for All, and believe in a more diplomatic foreign policy. All right, this has been Connor's Screencast. Goodbye. I guess we're back. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry.